Hi, I'm Wendell. This one is?
Hi, I'm Nicole.
And at the moment it's 8 o'clock. We're stopping for breakfast at Kundasang. So we're not even halfway yet. And Jollence is driving and also going to do the video while driving.
So this is actually the first time you see Wendell on my vlog, and also Nicole. So we are heading to the bird festival, and it's gonna be maybe about 5 hours. No, I think it's gonna be more like 4 hours. 4 hours, yeah. Hopefully it's gonna be a good ride, and we are heading to Sepilok, and yeah, hopefully it's gonna be a good ride. And
Oh yes!
yeah,
I got signal! This is Wendell on the camera and Jollence is driving. He's going very fast because we are running late, and not for the bird fest but for the durian stop. We want to get the fresh ones before all the other KK people eat it.
it's actually durian season now, and it's sort of like almost like anywhere around Kota Kinabalu and also the outside of the city. You can see a lot of durian. We got a lot of durians nowadays, and Wendell is so excited to get some of that.
Don't drive too fast, Jollence.
Why we are stopping here?
Hello. Is it me? You looking for?
No, we just has to make a stop for this Australian. It doesn't have durian in Australia.
12 kilo.
I just gotta show you how much durian people have consumed. Look at this. That's a lot of durian. Look at that.
Di hôm nay I had it 2 kilo. Karena tangking.
So, how is it?
Pahit kan? Not so strong the pahit. You like more pahit ka? Does last the camera lah something wrong? Ba. Good.
That is our 4th durian.
And then your medal is the durian. Yung kanang potong.
Durian run.
The great Ranau Durian run. With durians.
Wow. So we finally arrived at the Rainforest Discovery Center, and it's already noon time, and yeah. Taking video and pictures of bird watchers around the Rainforest Discovery Center, and yeah, it's quite hot actually here and humid, really humid. It's not like this morning when we passed Kinabalu Park area and we stopped by for breakfast. It was really cold, you know what I mean? That's day with chicken. Currently we are walking at the canopy walk, the new canopy walk at the Rainforest Discovery Center, and you got one tower, so there's one tower there. Yeah, so it's quite nice, as in you can also spot some wildlife over here, as you saw.
Yeah,
orangutan,
mother and baby orangutan.
Yeah,
walking along on the canopy walk to take a shortcut.
Yeah,
quite amazing.
Shortcut.
Quite amazing, you know.
Number one. Right. So we are done. I'm done with the shoot at the Rainforest Discovery Center, and now we are checking in at the Sandakan D. And it's actually the first time for me to stay here. How's the room? Very nice. Fantastic. So we can actually push the wall and open up, sort of like open wide. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Wow. It is. I actually never expected this, you know, to be like this. So, yeah, air conditioner, toilets, shower there. Yeah, I'm going to be sleeping up here. I'm going up here. Go down there, and the lady's gonna be there. Yeah. So I'm gonna take you around this place afterwards. Yeah. It's actually raining at the moment. No, not really. Already stopped. But lightning is very actively. So anyway, it's time to go out and find something to eat. So we meant to eat here at where we're staying, but I think it's not being fair that I did not bring you around the town. So I'm going to bring you to one place to see what they have in there and what's most famous in Sandakan. Anyway, we got freshened up and we are ready to go. Let's go. Okay, here is the place. Another place is quite near to. This is like mile 6, I think. Yeah, this is mile 6 where the IJM area. Jason is here. The team Mono Bird Club. So here.
The best. Alright. Sederhana.
Yeah, the team is here. Okay, that's flounder fish. That's, I don't know, fish. That's the campfish. Campfish, right? This is the ikan bakar or sandakan. The flounder fish is good.